Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to monetize your Facebook Reels. Can you believe it? You can now monetize your Facebook Reels, and the way it's done is by people giving you gifts when they watch your Facebook Reels. But I'm gonna show you guys how to set that up in this video. But you know me, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your Facebook Reels monetized. All you gotta do is go into Google right here and type in Facebook Creator Studio. Yeah. Once you've done that, you click enter, and then you're going to come to this page, right? And then you select Creator Studio. Now, once you've clicked Creator Studio, you will then appear on this page that looks something like this, right? And you're going to be given all these different options on the side right here, yeah? You got home, notifications, planner, content, etc., etc. You want to select content. Guys, yeah? And then when you select content, as you can see here, here's some of the Facebook Reels that I have on my account. Look, guys, look. See this green dollar sign? That means it's monetization is enabled. Can you see all these green? All of that? Monetization is enabled. Yeah. So basically, when people watch these Reels, they can send gifts to me via these Facebook Reels. And once they send these Facebook Reels, those gifts can be converted into actual cash, currency, etc., etc. Yeah. So this is how you monetize your Facebook Reels. Do you know, I'm kind of hoping that they roll it out to Instagram Reels and all the other placements, because that will be amazing. And that's going to help a lot of creators. But so let's continue. So in order to enable for your Facebook Reels to be monetized, all you got to do, guys, is select on the top right-hand corner, it's going to say create reel. Yeah. You just click create reel like that. And guys, make sure that you have both of these selected. Yeah. And then what you want to do, you want to add a video right here. Yeah. So I'm going to quickly add a video. As you can see here, I've now uploaded a video right here. Yeah. Which will be for my Facebook Reels as well as my Instagram Reels. Then here I can put in the caption, something like that. Yeah. And then here you can also choose the thumbnail that you want your videos to begin at. Once you've done that, guys, at the bottom right here, it's going to say next. You just click next. And then you're going to get to this page where it's going to give you more options to edit. You can add music, you can add further text, you can add, you can enhance it, you can automatically remove the background and equalize the audio. There's so many things you could do with your Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels, right? So you'll be sent to this next page to do that if you need to do some last minute editing to your videos. If you don't want to do that and you're happy with what you're seeing right here, all you got to do again is click next. And here is where you enable for your Facebook Reels to be able to be monetized. You've got these options right here. Make sure this is public. You've got this option. It says allow gifts. Yeah. Mine is already on. But for some of you, when you get to this page, it'll be off. If it's off, make sure you turn that on, because it's going to now enable you to receive gifts and stars, which can be converted into money. If this is off, the people who appreciate your content can't do anything. They can't gift you, they can't send you anything, they can't do anything. Yeah. I'm going to make sure that this is on for all your Reels. And if you keep them on, there's a high likelihood that as you post more, you're going to get more reach, you're going to get more exposure. Then you're going to come across people who love your content so much that they're going to want to gift you or send you stars, which you can then convert into currency that you can use in the real world. Yeah. So guys, this is how you do it. A lot of people aren't doing this. So they're missing out on opportunities, monetization opportunities. They're missing out on these opportunities, man. So make sure you do this. Yeah. Turn this on. And that's what you got to do. It's the same thing as always. Once you're happy with it, you just click share and it's done. That's it. Yeah. So guys, that is how you enable monetization on your Facebook Reels. Yeah. So guys, make sure that you do this and give yourself the opportunity to make money, and also give yourself the opportunity to engage and form a closer relationship with your audience. So guys, I hope this video helps you. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Feel free to like this video if it has helped you. And I look forward to giving you some more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care.